Good morning, guys. I'm going to Copenhagen in this shitty weather. At least it's getting warmer. I can tell that much. The wind isn't as biting and as brutal anymore. But I'm gonna be out of this apartment in like 2 weeks, so hopefully no snow by then. But I have an idea. I'm probably gonna be drifting for a few weeks, sleeping on some couches here and there. For today, I'm just gonna be leaving all my tools for electric stuff in Copenhagen, and hopefully sell this backpack, the red hiking backpack I started the journey with. Trying to recoup some money, and I don't want shit that I can't carry on my person. So I just want to sell anything that I'm incapable of carrying in my setup, or unwilling to. Got some videos edited on the train. Now, Copenhagen Central Station. Okay, let's go sell this backpack. Got it hooked up to my other backpack. Alright guys, I got the trade done. Secondary backpack is gone, and I'm a little richer. Let's go. I don't have much money. I got like 1,000 krona total across my card and cash. And there's a few things I still want to buy. You know me, I try to prioritize accumulating gear. And then I'll just spend less on food, figure it out somehow, right? I'm going out to have a cigarette in front of the main entrance of the central station. Well, I guess it's technically the side entrance. The other entrance is the main, but this is, for all intents and purposes, the main entrance. Let me show you. This is certainly the most popular entrance, next to the Joe and the Juice, or whatever it's called. Yeah. Goddag, jeg er selv hjemløs, jeg beklager. I'm homeless, I'm sorry, I can't help. Check this out. That's Tivoli right there, the amusement park, roller coaster park. You know what? Never mind that cigarette. I'm just going to Husum, to my family's place. Leaving this backpack, Dion's backpack, with my tools inside it. And then I'm pretty sure I'm just gonna head back home. That person who said they potentially wanted to buy this backpack that I'm walking around with, they didn't react, so oh well. At least I got a little bit of cash today. Guys, I said hi to the cutest pup. Look at that guy. Fenris, he's called. That mother with the little kid there. Guess you can't really see him anymore. Just spending my last few minutes before the train departs, the S train. Smoking that cigarette I talked about. I ended up petting that dog for a long time, so I don't have so long to smoke this cigarette. But it was brand new, only 10 weeks old. Cute. Oh well. 1 minute. Better go. Let's see. Going to Husum, so I need to be in this end. Oh my god, this weather is ruthless, guys. I'm so lucky I got long lashes because there's just little ice molecules keep piercing into my eyeballs if it hadn't been for my eyelashes. Oh my god. It's definitely still winter, huh? My cousin made me a tuna sandwich before he left for his job. I got to talk to him about the plans for the electrical setup and some other stuff. Like a common friend we used to hang out with on the daily. We're gonna be hanging out with him in a week, the three of us again. Man, I missed it. But yeah, I'm just gonna chill here for a while. Head back to Nyborg. Yes is gonna come back to the apartment and sleep over once more. He's a nice guy. I enjoy hanging out with him. I'm sharing my tuna sandwich with Moon. He loves eating. Look at the size of this guy. But at least tuna is just protein for the most part. He should be fine. Food always tastes better when you share it. Damn guys, check it out. So much snow here, it's crazy. Oh well, let's get it. I've been standing here, opening up the door for people for the past 20 minutes. Let's get in the train. But I might as well do something nice for people while I wait, right? Just standing here listening to San Andreas radio. It's really funky. It's Radio Bounce FM. Check it out. Alright, almost home. I think my friend lets me stay in the apartments hanging out there with another friend of mine. Let's see if they're still there. The other friend talked about how he's looking for an apartment here in Nyborg and how he potentially wanted to team up with me and roommate with me. Let's see. Guys, I'm such a lazy piece of shit. I'm making more ramen today. I'm gonna add some soy sauce. And today I'm gonna add some of this duck concentrate. He says that's probably too much. Let's see.